Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
I'm Niley.
For today's vlog, ay papanoorin natin ang up-close and personal video ng ating Miss Universe Philippines Naik 2024. That's Mary Rose Gural, which itong video na to is a personality interview challenge. Ang mananalo sa challenge na ito with the most number of votes sa Miss Universe Philippines app gets a spot on the semi-finals. So to vote for Mary Rose,
Just download the Miss Universe Philippines app and then go to the challenge vote tab, which is nasa pinaka-third tab sa pinaka-baba. Ayan, and then scroll down and vote for the one you think should win the challenge.
if you think na si Mary Rose ang deserving sa challenge na ito, don't forget to vote for her. Without any further ado,
Without any further kuda,
let's watch this. So ayan, ang kanyang look for this interview ay pongkan na pongkan din. Same sila ni ni Bantayan. I love that she always, try to show that luminous skin.
Pinag-ingit ko sa skin niya.
Like, ang ganda ng skin niya, and ang neat niya lang dito yung naka-pusod bang tawag dyan?
Well, honestly, one of my top lists that I really wanted to do is to go back to the orphanage where I came from, because I am an orphan. So it is really one of the treasure in my life, and it is really my core and my foundation and my training ground as well for being the woman I am today.
Ang ganda. I love it. Ano yun hindi ko alam yung yung trivia na yun. Nagaling siya sa orphanage. And kudos to her. Nagaling pala siya sa orphanage, and look at her now, like yung mga achievements niya sa buhay. Nakakatuwa, di ba?
I mean, amazing na she could get to share yung ganitong mga moments na otherwise hindi natin alam, di ba?
That's so inspiring.
I'm a certified welder. Honestly, as a woman who have been in a severe poverty, I use this skill to sustain not just myself but also my education and to sustain my whole family.
Very admirable.
And ito siya yung klase ng babae na parang mahirap nang tibagin kasi throughout the years
Na-weld na.
Oo, na-weld na talaga siya ng mga experiences and nung kahirapan. Tsaka, ang sayang panoorin na may gantong klaseng babae na hindi naging hadlang yung experience na yun, yung kahirapan na yun. Kumbaga, hindi siya humugot dun sa karanasan na yun. Mas pinagbuti niya yung kanyang pag-aaral, ang buhay niya. And look at her now. Parang, I'm so proud as a mother.
That's very, very inspirational talaga. Na, yun nga, pasalamat tayo, may gantong segment. At least we get to know.
Odi, thank you.
Thank you.
Siguro yung sobrang pagtitiwala sa ibang tao. As you all know, sobrang daldal ko to the point na sometimes yung mga bagay na hindi na dapat sinishare na natin.
Natawa siya.
To negative feedback.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. It's very, I love
It's
that.
very, ang light lang.
Very natural lang. Yung nagkukwentuhan tayo, ito yung gusto kong matutunan sa akin.
Kaya nga parang magkaka-vibe, halos magka-vibe sila ni Bantayan, ni Joel actually, yung sobrang mapagtiwala sa ibang tao, which is wala namang masama doon, di ba? Ang may masama doon is yung mga ibang tao na tinitake advantage yung pagiging mabuti mo na yun, yung hindi naman siya weakness, but yung vulnerability na yun na matatawag.
I really wish na makasama siya sa semi-finals. So, vote nyo na siya.
Ayan guys, so don't forget, kung gusto nyo makasama sa semi-final si Naik, that's Mary Rose Gural, don't forget to download the Miss Universe Philippines app. And pumunta lang kayo sa challenge pro tab, hanapin nyo yung picture niya, i-click nyo yan, i-button nyo na yan. Thank you so much at sinamahan nyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye! Be serious.